Hello everyone. So this is the Group 5 Data Forge. So the name of our game is Bayanihan Defense. So I am Sam Christian Pagubasan together with Mark Joseph Valencia, Mr. Angelico Ramirez, and Mr. Joel Magnawa.
Okay, thank you so much, Mr. Sam Paghubasan. So, for our game, which is called Bayanihan Defense, we have made some adjustments and addition to our game, in which you know, um, we mainly focus on the 80% for our. I mean, sorry, for the 80%, we had some navigation additions. So, it will be discussed by Mr. Angelico Ramirez.
Thank you, Sir MJ. So right now, we actually have many adjustments. So we have added 6 maps, and we actually have a timer as well on the game. As you can see here in the scene 3, I do already add a main menu button on the uh, game where you can adjust the. I mean, let me try to start the game first. So as you can see, here are the maps. We have Boracay, Volcano, Rizal Parks, Rizal Park, Rice Terraces, Intramuros, Baguio. So let's try to play the game on Boracay. So as you can see, we already have a timer here, and as you can see as well, the gold or the coins when you actually kill the dinos or the villains, you will receive gold coins for you to you can do upgrade the turrets or the heroes. And we also have an 8 HP button or the hearts or lives of the map. So let me show you the example. Let me try to sell the heroes, and yeah, where you can see if the villain has been already passed through the map, the HP will automatically lose one by one. One villain minus one. So let's back to the game. When the game starts, as you can see, the timer starts as well. You can see the current waves. We have 5 waves. Each waves, dumadami yung enemies. Dumadami yung enemies. Each waves. So, as you can see, enemies is 4. Pag naubos yan, um, dadami yung enemies. Like, mag-a-add siya na multiple, mas kukunat, ganon. Yan, we also have main menu button where you can pause the game, adjust the music. So we still waiting for the music or the background music that will be made by Miss Sam and Joel Magnawa. Right? So functionable as well the full screen. As you can see, if you click back, the game will start or continue. And when you click exit, the game will automatically get back to the main menu. And same as well here on the options. And when you click exit, the game will automatically end. So, additional sa map, yun lang. Siguro, to say na 100% na itong game natin is we're going to wait dun sa mga skeletons. Papalitan na lang natin yung dinosaurs. Yun. Yun lang. Yun lang. Tapos isang hero na lang i-add natin. Si... Pangalan nun?
Yung
Maria ba yun?
Gabriela Silla.
Yeah.
Gabriela
yeah.
Silla.
So, additional ko lang, we made some few tweaks on the archer, which is, kasi parang ano siya eh, parang, in terms of ano, parang di siya mostly magagamit kasi, parang siyang mahina. So, I made some adjustments kanina. I made it like, have the highest, attack, slowest attack speed, pero fastest bullet sa game. So, more of like para siyang sniper ganun. Parang match din siya sa Archer na title niya. And so to summarize, we added a navigation menu on the in-game, which we haven't done before, and we have some adjustments on the difficulties per maps, also some additional maps. Before there was only 2 maps, which is the Boracay and Volcano, and now we added other 4 maps, which differs from difficulty, being the can we go back sa sa mga levels, please?
Levels.
Yung select map natin.
Okay.
Can we go back? Pakita lang natin. So yan, yung Baguio, which is the hardest level, tapos yung Boracay, which is the easiest level. So yun lang naman the adjustments we made. Any questions, guys? Or any additional tingin nyo na we need to mention? Sam?
I think, na lang, more on animation about sa mga heroes natin and yung billing na lang na ma-change natin. Yun na lang yung comment ko. And then, ayun, yung leaderboard pala.
Yeah. Isa pa yun, leaderboard nga pala.
Hindi pa, tama na, nag-ano ka.
Steady na lang sila, gago.
Hindi, ikot yan.
Sana isa yung bawas. Ay, ikot pa nga pala to, gago.
Dapat doon ka sa Boracay kasi isang diretso lang yun. Pero mabagal kasi yun nandun eh.
0.5 pa rin. Wait, pakita ko
Lahat
na.
ba yun? Lahat ba yun edit mo? Like tatlo yun.
Walking. Ito, base damage.
Hindi yan.
Ay,
Sa
gago.
data nga, sa data.
Saan daw?
Tapos search mo dyan green dino. Andyan sa taas. Yan o. Page.
Base damage, 1.
Hindi ba dyan? Dyan kasi ako nag-edit eh. Tingnan mo yung red dino.
Red Dino.
Ayan o.
Oo nga.
Ayun pa yung blue
Ito
dino.
yung Blue Dino. Okay.
I-control mo lang
Okay.
yan. Kasi yung green biro na labas yun eh.
Ayun, tara mag-open yung Apple sa speed.
So, we have finished discussing the additional edits or additional features for our game. And you guys have any questions or any additional information that needs to be discussed? Sam, do you
None
have-
so far.
None so far. Ikaw, Sam? Wala naman. Sir Joel Magnawa, do you have any questions? Wala naman. I'll take your no. Wala naman. Okay. So, yun lang naman. To summarize, we are almost done with our game. So, parang lilinisin na lang, no? And also the games. So, thank you so much for watching, sir. Okay na.